If you've lost access to your Google Meet account and don't have your phone number available for recovery, you can still regain access by following these steps. Step 1. Visit the Google Account Recovery page. Go to the Google Account Recovery page by entering Google Account Recovery in your web browser. This is the starting point for recovering your account. Step 2. Enter your email address. Input the email address associated with your Google Meet account. Make sure to enter it correctly to ensure you receive the necessary recovery options. Step 3. Choose Recovery Options. When prompted, select the option that states you don't have access to your phone number. Google will provide alternative recovery methods, such as sending a verification code to your recovery email. Step 4. Access your recovery email. Check your recovery email for a verification code sent by Google. Open the email and retrieve the code to proceed with the recovery process. Step 5. Follow the instructions. Enter the verification code in the provided field on the recovery page. Follow the on-screen instructions to reset your password and regain access to your account. By following these steps, you should be able to recover your Google Meet account without needing your phone number. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Google support for further assistance.